4 days ago I told you we are selling Bitcoin right here, and voila, Bitcoin is now 8% down. What is going to happen next? You will find out in this video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Samo from My Crypto Paradise, and right now I will tell you something what nobody of you expect. I'm a short-term bullish. In this video I will explain to you exactly why. It is going to be quick through Bitcoin multiple screen analysis, USDT dominance, and then we will take a look at some insider data. So let's start with Bitcoin on a daily time frame. So right now you can see that we have successfully break down this falling wedge pattern, as you know, right here at around $66,000. Not only in these videos but also in our free Telegram channels we have been telling you like the dump that nobody will expect will happen, and we have shared with you the three main key areas, right? And right now we are at the first one, which is the minor support. This is the weakest one actually, but as you can see the Bitcoin is having quite nice reaction from it, and we are right now struggling to break through. This level is confluence between the rising wedge breakdown target. How to calculate the rising wedge target when it starts to break out? You basically just need to take the lowest point, put the counting tool to the highest point, which is something around here, and then you put the counting tool to the breakout point, and as you can see it works absolutely beautifully. Also, this was our previous historical price action key level area. As you can see right here, it worked nicely as a resistance, then it worked previously as a support, and you can just see that in the past this level worked very nicely, so there is quite some demand right here. Also, this was our long squeeze liquidity end, where I have been sharing with you in the previous videos how much people are actually in the long positions right here, and I told you that for the whales, for the real whales, it's very easy to just little bit push the Bitcoin down. It starts to trigger the stop losses of the long positions and it creates long squeeze, right? So when the long position is closed, it automatically opens a short position, and then the dump is going very smoothly, and that is how the proper whales are making their money. Right now, however, we can see that right here is going on some accumulation where the retail is panic selling, but the price is not following down. Somebody is absorbing the selling pressure. That is why we believe there might be some pullback going on. Let's switch on 1 hour time frame and let me explain further what we are looking at right now. So firstly, what you can see very clearly, this is a Bitcoin on 1 hour chart, 1 hour time frame. For us, this is a lower time frame analysis. So what you can see is beautifully that with every candle which is lower than the previous one, the volume is decreasing, right? So the selling pressure is decreasing with every attempt to push lower. As you can see right here, and right here, the volume is decreasing, so the bears are getting weaker. This is a bullish sign, all right? Also, what we can see right here is that as we are grinding lower, making lower lows, the indicator RSI is making higher highs, and you can see that this is not happened only on 2 attempts but also on 3rd attempt right just few minutes ago. This is called an extended bullish divergence, and if you are reading our blog posts on our website, you are absolutely skilled in this technical analysis. This is called, and this is a textbook, extended bullish divergence. As you can see, if the price is making lower lows but the indicator is making higher highs and it's even more than 2 touches, this is called extended divergence, and it is a little bit even stronger than the classic bullish divergence that has only 2 touches, right? 2 lower lows or 2 higher highs if we are talking about bearish divergence. So what else we can see on 1 hour time frame that is priming us to believe that we can see some reversal from here? On MACD, on the histogram, it is even nicer visible that the bears are really losing the power. As you can see, this is the power of the bears on the previous attempt to break through the support. I'm talking about this support right here, and you can see that the power of the bears, the momentum is decreasing drastically, right? However, the accumulation of the whales is kind of powerful. So also on MACD histogram, we are creating this bullish divergence where the price is making lower lows, however the oscillator is making higher lows, as you can see right here. Alright, so that's analysis of Bitcoin. Let's go further. Let's take a look at USDT dominance. As you remember from the previous video, I've shared you when we have been trading right here at around 5.3% that we are going to this level, and voila, right now you can see we are exactly here, right? So this was the resistance I have been expecting that we will go to. As you know, when the USDT supply is increasing, that means the stable coins are flowing into the crypto market. For Bitcoin and crypto and altcoins, it's bullish. When the USDT, it's bearish. When the USDT is going out of the crypto market, when it's dropping, when the USDT dominance is dropping, then it is bullish, right? That's why we had this beautiful rally in the past before we called the top. So right now we are exactly at a resistance. As you can see, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level is a little bit higher than the resistance I have put right here, but because I've been analyzing the previous price action, I can see that from the technical point of view, this level 5.9 is actually much more important than this one. However, there is still a possibility due to volatile crypto market situation that we can go a little bit higher. But anyway, this is resistance, and with Paradise Family VIPs we are playing it right now very safe. We have secured our short positions because the probability is that from a short-term perspective we can have some bullish price action going on is high right now. It doesn't mean that we are buying, okay? It doesn't mean we are buying. From a higher time frame perspective, we still do expect that we will be dropping down to $44,200. As you can see, this is our higher time frame price action analysis. Also because of the weekly time frame, the crypto market cycles, this is the weekly time frame, right? So you understand from the previous videos, we are in a D wave, then we will have a final E wave towards $93,000. But first we need to get this cycle completed first. So where exactly we do expect this pullback is gonna end is the level $63,400, and I will explain to you why. So first of all, it is an important Fibonacci retracement level. How did I calculate it? Very easily. If you take a look on daily chart, you can see that this rising wedge pattern we have been forming in the Elliott wave ABC formation, right? And then if I take and analyze this C wave, I actually can put my Fibonacci retracement tools at the top and to the bottom of the wave, and you can see that it's very nicely working with this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level and with this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, which will be working very nicely as a resistance. So basically, if I switch back on a 4-hour time frame, I'm talking about this wave right here. So let me put it here as well for you, so you can see this is our resistance zone. I've exactly chose this level at around $63,400 because from the previous price action this was just working very well in the past. All right, we had some wicks which been finishing right there at this level, as you can see right here, right here, right here. So because we are day traders, right, we need to pick the best levels as possible. So for us to be able to be successful in our trading long term, we need to always position our stop losses at the best levels, our sell targets at the best levels. And you know from our past performance, the levels we always put somewhere works extremely well. All right, so this, if I would be having some short exposure from here, I would definitely put a stop loss above this level. But I'm not shorting here, I'm not even long in here. We have been shorting right here from this level, and right now if we will have this pullback which will be happening in ABC formation, if we will have it right here and I will see some bearish divergences which will just point for a reversal, then we will have some other confirmations right here at this level. It will mean for us just to increase our short exposure in preparation of another drop, and the second drop should be breaking through this demand zone already. Also, why this level we have chosen is because of the liquidity situation right now. You can see people are selling in panic right here at our support zone. It's very nicely visible at our CVD chart index right here that retail people are selling extensively in panic mode because they are afraid of breaking lower. That is why they are are opening short positions right here, and as you can see right here on our liquidation heat map, the level at around $64,000 is the one where there is loads of stop losses. All right, this zone is full of stop losses. So what the whales want to do in order for them to be able to push the price lower much more easier? For now it is harder, right? Because there is loads of short positions open. If they push the market down from here, what will happen that the retail, the dump money, the noobs will be taking the profits very rapidly once we just do few percentage movements to the downside. Once they start taking profits on their short positions, as I already explained to you, once short position is closed, it will automatically open a long position, and that will just be so difficult to push the price down, right? Because they will be taking profits, it will open long positions, blah blah blah. It's not very easy for the whales, for the real market players that are smart. What they need to do, they need to liquidate the shorts first, and then when there is no short positions opened, they can continue smoothly to put the price down. And I believe here will be again some kind of fear of missing out going on. They will be opening, retail will be opening long positions, and it will just repeat. You just need to work with the whales. Don't fight the whales, work with them, and you will be good. Also, the sentiment went very quickly down. That is also something what is putting us to be a short-term bullish on Bitcoin. The sentiment went down very rapidly. It is visible on the panic selling at the bottom right here, as I've already showed you. So the probabilities right now are that we can have in a short-term horizon some kind of bullish price action for around 5%. Does it mean we are opening long positions right here? No, it doesn't mean we are opening long positions right here. Does it mean that we are closing our short positions right here? Well, if we will get some further confirmations and the Paradise team will agree that we should take some profits, we will take some profits on our short positions right here. For example, because we will think that this resistance will not be able to hold and we are about to break higher, we will take some profits earlier. But for now, if we will have this pullback higher, what we're gonna do, we will just increase our short positions in expectation of another price surge to the downside. So the plan on the higher time frame perspective still remains the same. We are still expecting $44,200 before we start grinding higher towards our $93,000 higher time frame top. But for now, the short-term price action is looking kinda bullish just because of the reasons I've told you. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you are getting great value from these videos. It is my pleasure that I can make you a better traders. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time on Saturday. Cheers!